guys, how's it going? It's Mark from Everything Beamer back with another video, guys. In today's video, I'm gonna be straight piping my M3 right behind me. It's gonna be really crazy. I feel as if once I straight pipe it, this thing's gonna be loud as hell, and I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it. I love my car being loud, but sometimes straight piping is just a little bit too much, especially on a V8 vehicle. But we're gonna see today, and we're gonna go see the consequences of my actions. So let's get it started, man. I'm about to go to postal surgery real quick. I'm selling my cat. I don't know if you guys seen my latest video, but I took off 2 cats off my M3. So yeah, I did that. Let's start off, see if I'm digging it, if I'm messing with it, see if I want to go louder or not, keep it the same. So yeah, I did that. Right now I'm about to sell them, so I'm gonna take them to UPS and I'm ship them. So we're gonna do that, get it started like that, and then we're gonna go straight to street piping, man. Look who pulled up on me out of the blue. Out of the fucking blue. Drewski, man.
I saw his M3, I was like, wait, that's Marcus. I saw his logo right here. I was like, driving this way. I was like, oh shit.
Yes, sir. Man. See, you got a little V6 Mustang inside there.
Yeah, I see.
Wasting the time.
Getting some muffler delete.
I don't know what the fuck you doing, wasting the time. So what I'm gonna have to end up doing, taking those 2 cats out, and I'm gonna do the muffler, take the muffler out as well. I don't have any quad tips for the mufflers, but it's okay. I guess I'm gonna have to run with no tips right for now. Get the tips and come back. That's a move, so that's the plan. By the way, guys, once I do get my tips on, I will be having a tune for flame, so I will have the flame tune on here. So watch out for that. It's just gonna be crazy. Alright guys, so I finally did it. Finally straight pipe all the way back. No cats, no nothing. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds. I know you guys heard what it sounds like. Let's get a little more. Shit gets crazy in the city, man. I'm telling you, it gets crazy. You guys seen that, you know, it looks like a 335 from the back because they piped it, had to take the muffler off. So now all I need is tips. Tips are coming soon, guys, so please don't try to roast me in the comments talking about some, oh man, your M3 looks like a 335. I don't want to hear none of that shit. Shit's coming soon, man, for sure, for sure. All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna get quad tips back on my back end exhaust. This shit gonna be crazy. Soon, I think tomorrow, maybe I'll put a tune on for flames. And if I do that, it's just gonna be amazing. I just can't wait, man. This shit sounds crazy, man. I ain't gonna cap with you guys. I am not lying with you guys. This is the loudest car I ever had. Yeah, my boy Ed came back again. Said he wanted to get those mufflers off, man. Said he want to get those mufflers off, man. like I was saying about the tips. Here's my tips right now. What I'm gonna have everything they're doing is getting wire tips and cutting them and putting them on. I don't know if we can get the clamps or just get the welded on ones. We'll see, man. This shit's crazy though. That shit's crazy though. You had a good day, man. That shit's fine. God, bro, I know y'all hearing this shit, bro. I know y'all hearing this, man. What the? All right, guys. So right now, put it on the flame tune so I get some flames. As you guys can know, I just got my car straight pipe, and it really sounds ridiculously crazy. I'm gonna show you guys full results of the car once I can. I'm trying to get a GoPro pretty soon so I can put it in the back so you guys see my exhaust and see how big the flames are. Yeah, I'm gonna do that pretty soon. Right now, I'm just flashing it again by myself. It's just pretty easy after you do it the first time. All right, guys, so it's done. Let's start this bad boy up. So what I did, guys, I put a new flame tune on. I couldn't do it before because I didn't have straight pipes, but now some straight pipe. You're gonna see a lot of flames. I'm gonna let it warm up real quick, and then maybe later on I'll show you guys what it is. It's kind of hot outside, so I'm not trying to like rev it too much. You know how it gets with the Beamers and those. Once it gets a little overheating, it's just dead. So yeah, I keep you guys updated. Stay tuned, and let's get it.
Give me the motherfucking guap. I got the Glock. Caught it, came motherfucking dead. I'm in the body with WAP. That's the WAP.